What's up?
Yeah.
You gotta go home for real?
Nah, I'm straight.
Damn, man. Look at it, Joseph. What the fuck? What is it to look at? Oh, my bad. You want the window down?
Yeah.
This video going, man. Yeah.
Calm, man.
You tell me, bro. What's the quickest way?
Don't mind.
I said, what's the quickest way? You say you don't know. They cut, man. Man, ugh, man. No, it's like my third video.
Yeah. Oh, you got a lot of video?
Huh?
You put them all in one?
Nah, I'm just gonna drop them one day at a time. Gotta keep them wondering, man. Like, damn, we don't drop the video. So you don't know about that.
They be asking me, you doing all the POV? I ain't did one yet.
I just thought about this. I feel like it was smart to have my camera like that. Creek wanna hold it like that and shit. That shit dead. They get everybody reaction and all.
Nah, man, turn your back on, man.
Nigga, who hit that car with traction on?
Turn your back on, man. Creek calls, man.
Man, Creek must heard us on the video. Well, what road? I'm gonna start letting people pick what road they want to see. What road you want to see?
Heard?
What?
Now let's see that. Let's see that 50 you did with Creek. That made Creek do that. Creek talking about shit.
Oh, we think it's shit. Man, Creek was feeling this shit, man. Creek already been in my car though. Not with this tune though.
Oh, he ain't better with that tune?
Yeah, he ain't.
How you know for sure?
I'm saying this tune different, man. You feel that bitch chain gear. Look at my video, you see that bitch jerking every gear.
What this is?
Boost.
If it was over when you be hitting that.
Shit boost. Which way you think I should hit it? Come back around that way.
Back that way. Or nah, come down so we can be all back Creek come. So you need
Go around that way, then come back this way?
go straight in.
Oh, then come back this way.
Yeah, and back Creek come. Now that curve right there come.
I'm saying I can come back through this way. You know? Oh, you saying go that way. Look how good that show on my mama. You got them weak ass videos. Yeah.
What a view, man.
You got a little back there. See that NOS bottle back there.
I do this, right? Yeah.
Nah, you be like, hey, hey, don't slow that bit down real quick. All I gotta do is downshift and smash it. What you said, 50 wrong man? Look how slick that was. Alright. Mama, they been jerking it every year. Yeah, they been way better than my other two. My other two, like, they weren't aggressive. See, they two more aggressive. I got Brumbo. Got Brumbo, man. It's biting harder than yours. What you mean? What you mean you gotta see?
I can't down my car.
Yeah. Trying to tell me how to drive. I wasn't even recording. I'm gonna put your YouTube in the description. Oh, you just tell them?
Nah.
Don't tell them.
Why about it vote, man?
Yeah, they can't hear you. Wide body vote, man. That's your
Why about it
time.
vote?
Yeah, man. You see, I end that whole out. You gotta put your hand.